Hello guys, welcome back to One True Legend. Today we are back here with another drone flight. I haven't done a drone flight in a while. So yeah, we're in a nice open field and the weather's really nice today. Except it's just a little bit windy, but we're going to take off. So let's face the drone downwards. Let's take off. Drone's a little bit struggling, it's fighting the wind. We're going to go up. Okay, it's a little bit struggling because of the high wind. We're going to do a 360 photo first. It looks really nice. Look at that. Look at this big open field. We're going to do a 360 photo here. Let's hope the wind calms down a little bit because we need that battery. We're going to do a panel. We're going to do a sphere photo. Hope it doesn't cancel because of the wind, because this happened to me while I was flying 2 videos ago. Oh, okay, it's happening again. Like, it's unable to continue the 360 photo because of this wind. We're just gonna wait for it to. Oh, what happened to my gimbal? I think the wind is too strong. We're gonna try it again. We're gonna wait for the wind to calm down. Alright, it's calmed down now. We're gonna try it again. We're not going to do a 360 photo because it's struggling. What we are going to do is a 40 megapixel photo. Look at the sky. Looks really nice. We're going to take a nice photo of this. I'm going to go the other way. No, I wish I could take a 360 photo, just the wind is too strong. I need to first wait for the wind to calm down. Look at the London skyline. Maybe at the end of the flight the wind might calm down and we can do a 360 photo. Let's go back to recording. We're going to record around. We're going to come back down. We're going to do some low down shots. Oh, see, the wind's pushing my gimbal around. I'm not liking that. We're going to go all the way to the end. Actually, the drone's going to face headwind if we go that way. So we're going to go here. We're going to go all the way down here. Forward, we're going to go in sport mode. Just got to be careful not to clip the grass, otherwise the drone's going to. Right, we're going to go in sport mode. I'm going to go ahead. Oh, that is some sick footage. Look at that. Get a real sense of speed. Right then, we're going to go above the tree. We're going to go up. Look at that view. Let's go all the way to the end. Let's stay in normal mode now. Just going to go a bit this way. Actually, should try and get some low down shots of all of this. It's a really nice open area we're flying in. You can see the cars. Let's go a little bit lower. Get some shots. Low down shots of this. Some RC signal actually. Let's go a bit up. Signal. let's come back to where I am. Look at that shot, look at that. We're gonna try and get this shot, look. That is insane. That is an insane shot. It's really professional looking. Right, let's come back now. I'm at this end. Just unfortunate that the wind is too strong. Look at that. Now we're going to go this way. We're going to go to the complete opposite way. Actually, you know what? I see something cool over here. Actually, should we go down? Should we go down this? Let's see what this thing's all about. This tire thing. Look at that. It's quite mad because I'm far away from it and you can see what that looks like. Gotta make sure we don't hit any let's try and get a backwards shot of it. Look at that. That looks kind of cool. You know, now I want to go this way. Actually, no, the winds have calmed down. Actually, never mind. It has not calmed down. We're gonna go up here, and we can see the street. When a car comes, we're going to track it that way. We're going to track it all the way down there. let's try and check out this area. So let's try and see how far we can go. Wind is just too strong at the moment. Look at that. Alright, let's turn back and we're going to go the opposite way. Let's see what's down here. Actually, you know what, we'll start heading back. You know what, I think I'm facing headwind right now, so the drone's coming back a lot slower than it was going because the wind's coming behind me. The wind keeps getting stronger again and again. I think I'm going to come lower. We're a bit tight actually. It's now draining really fast, so otherwise we're going to have to land it somewhere. Well, I'm going to land it around here, so if the drone suddenly decides to land, I could just walk down there. I want to do a 360 photo, but I don't think we're going to do that now. But we're nearly back, so when I went out, I actually had plenty of battery to come back. But then when I came back, then the speed was really slow and it drained the battery really fast. As you can see, The drone's right here now, we can just land it. If I went any further, I would have had to force land it in a random area. Alright, that was a really cool flight. Thank you for watching. I went just far enough that I had just enough battery to get back, so otherwise I would have to walk down there to get it back. But anyway, that was a cool flight. We're going to do more flights soon. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more drone flights, and yeah, peace out.